Yo, I finally got my first order. This is gonna be a Walmart pickup. I believe it said like $13 and some change, going like 6 miles. I think it's going to a different Walmart than I usually go to, so we'll see how this goes.
You want the extra eggs or one that one? All right, you're good.
I just wanted to help out.
Oh no, but thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys for your patience. Enjoy the cooler day.
I'm gonna be heading over to the.
Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $12, going 5 miles, 12 items. Kind of high on the item count, but it looks like it's 4 different items, just a bunch of them, so should be an easy one though. I think it's all baby food, maybe. Super morning fruit and grain. Is that this? Yes, 3 of these. They only had 3, lucky. Bananas and blueberries. I think it's this. Yep. 3 of these. Pears, squash, and blackberries. Oh, that's a different brand. Okay. And this. 3 of these. Bananas, spinach, and blueberries. I think that's this. Yep. 3 of these. Good to go. Looks like we're going back to Safeway for another shop and deliver order. This one is going to be $10, going 2 miles, 3 items. Yep, they are all out of it. They're all out of it. Got this order right away. It's gonna be for Chick-fil-A, $9 and some change, going 6 miles. Probably not gonna be ready for me, but I'm okay with waiting a little bit this time. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You as well. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Hello. Morning. All right, well, thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, well, I accepted an order pretty much as soon as I pulled up to that little sale. So I'm kind of late at this point. My bad. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it's at $11, going like 4 miles, 3 items. Oh man, I just got a really good DoorDash order, but unfortunately I'm already on one right now. And I feel like this one's gonna take too long to do.
Welcome. If you have your sub card, please scan it now.
How you doing, man?
Not too bad. There you are.
Awesome. Hey, thanks so much.
Have a good one.
Have a good day.
Yep, you too. Next order came in right away. This one's gonna be a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 going 6 miles, only 2 items. Unless it's this.
You guys are gonna want a bag. That's okay. We'll just throw it back in the car. We don't have any kind of reward.
Hi.
We have babies. We know who goes.
Yeah.
We know who goes in the back. We know who are you. We know we go to. We see dolphins and crabs.
Wow.
We know when I'm a tiny baby.
She's gonna be 3 this month, so.
Until you dog already.
Okay, say bye. We gotta go.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Next order up, we've got a shop and we don't have a shop and deliver. We have a muchas gracias. This one's gonna be $10 and some change, going about 4.5 miles. This one might not be ready, kind of close to it as is. We'll see. Thank you. I mean, they were bagging it up as soon as I walked in, so I'll take that. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Jack in the Box. $11 going about 5.5 miles. All right, I got my next order. This one's gonna be for Starbucks. $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $9 going 4 miles, 4 items. Three of these. This.
Please scan it now. 9:49. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you.
All right, I'm probably gonna call it right here. Haven't gotten an order in probably like 15 minutes, which for today is a little much. So I'll take that as a sign to go get some lunch myself. Current time is 11:45. Current total is 99, and I have 3 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 115 if I had to guess. Pretty good day today, especially compared to other recent days. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.